Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye! Okay, that was annoying. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Skims haul. My chubs are quaking. I needed to buy shapewear and I was like, okay, where did I go? Kardashian Skims. Also, if you like this cute little romper, I highly recommend going on my TikTok shop. Perfect for your mid-size girlies with a flat ass. Here it is. I do feel like it's kind of cool that all her little Skims wear comes in their individual package. First, I just want to disclaim and talk to Mr. YouTube. This is for educational purposes only. Mr. YouTube, I understand your rules, but like for a mid-sized girly who's trying to figure out like shapewear, I think it's fair that we show a little skin. My point is, we're here to learn. So please don't demonetize this video. Okay, thanks. Your girl got bills to pay. So this is the plunge strapless bra. I have my straps on right now. Listen, Linda. There's this thing where you can like show how much coverage or how much sculpting you want. Also, I'm wearing my own coverage down here. Okay, relax. It blends very well with my skin, but it is not one with my skin, okay? I was drawn to this bra because look how thick this banding is. Like, that is what I want in a bra. Because I am here for all the suckening I can get in these back cookies. Look how thick this band is. It's a size large, by the way. Mr. YouTube, it's like me wearing a corset. Look at this extra coverage. Kind of crazy for a bra. And then you have this very nice U-scoop because if you want to wear like a deep v-neck or a dress that just opens up your chest or you're in heart surgery, this is perfect. You would never think you'll need a bra like this, but actually it comes in handy. Let's get like controversial. Today's not ready to be demure. So this is marketed to be strapless. There is no way in hell that this little foam padding, no sucking or hold on the girls at all. It's like flapping two little pancakes against my pancakes. You know the soles you put in your shoe? Literally is this. It's not the best or highest quality, apart from this beautiful long big wide strap that I really appreciate. Look at that. Look at this hold right here. There's actually underwire. It pushes them up. It gives you that push up like without it digging too tightly into your skin. It really just sucks up those back cookies in the side of your armpits. Gorgeous. So I did buy this broski to pair with this. Yeah, this little thing, this is a size large. I'm scared for my life. Of course, me out of everyone with no ass decided to go for the thong. I'm not too sure how we're gonna make this work, but we will. Let's not forget that this is all about sculpt. So all this meat and juice right here is supposed to fit into this toddler's diaper. You gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm just gonna stretch it a little bit. When you get to this point, just don't let it define you. No, I know it's hard to just not like trust the process. Don't let it roll because once it starts rolling, it's game over. Again, Mr. YouTube, I have coverage on. Oh my god. You know what? Getting it up my flat ass was no issue. It was a lot smoother than I thought. Wow. It is what it is. Really see how much fat I have to lose off my body. Yeah. I'm not even stressing. I'm not even sweating over that. That is not demure. Ooh. I just can't stop looking at myself. It's such a interesting perspective once you like really suck up your jiggly. I mean, at least it's motivating me to like get rid of this pocket full of sunshine. Take me away. Wow, I don't have a lot of torso. So it's going over my broski, but it really flattened her out. Thong the little G-strings giving us like cheeks. Call me Sandy Cheeks. It looks like a bathing suit, Mr. YouTube. Do you see how it squeezes out my muffin top? It's really squeezing out that junk in the front. It's like the muffin top's playing Tetris. Where did I go? You know what? I was very intimidated and now I'm like really impressed. Holding in that pocket full of sunshine really is giving me a flat tummy. I feel like if I were to wear like a bodycon dress or something, confidence and I will sit at the same table tonight. My front width is even like a tiny bend from the side, really extracting out those cheeks for me. Am I giving it a chance? I'm actually low-key excited and it's comfy. You know what, Skims? The first time I tried it, guys, I was not that greatly impressed, but now as I've matured and am demure, I understand the hype. For something that is literally like squeezing in your gut, throws you in space, it's comfy. Soft, flexible, it's stretchy. You can still do all the things without feeling like this is a whole ass upgrade from those like bone-in corset sculpting undies. Even for my short torso girlies, it's kind of folding down, but it's at its max. It won't go down no more. Like, this is it. That I can trust. It's not digging to my side. I don't feel like I can't breathe. My body feels respected in this. Wow, Skims! Am I the only one who's concerned that this is gonna fit? I know it's gonna stretch, but then like, you can't tell me that this is not intimidating when you open it up and you're just like, half of a chesty bestie, like, ooh. Anyway, this is the seamless sculpt. Sculpt bra. I guess the stretch is this much. Just so Mr. YouTube don't put us in detention. So this is a size large. Once you have it rolled up like this, girl, you are screwed. It feels like I just wrapped a rope around myself. Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
Goodness. It's talking to me. Ta-da! There's elastic. I didn't think that the elastic would do much, but it actually sticks to your stomach. Security. Maybe I should have gone for an extra large. Okay. It's supposed to be like ultra sculpting, though I don't like that too much. I hate that part. Let's try to like squeeze it in somehow, but it claims to flatter and scoop up the girlies in front to make them look big and busty. Has some stretch, some ruching. Even right here, it has like the slightest detail where it gives you extra stretch, extra comfort. Very thoughtful, Kim. The straps are adjustable, thank goodness. It claims to be true to size, but I feel like I should have sized up a little. As you can see, it starts to fold. Oh. But like I said, really slurp that up. Okay, so I bought the Core Control high waist thong. Not sure why it comes with straps. That was a little confusing because there are strap holders right here. I'm assuming you can clip that onto your bra. Don't quote me. There must be something you can pair up with this to like clip underneath your bra, so it's holding without rolling. As we're saying that, the elastic does grip, but if you have a stomach like mine, where you could really up your own skin, probably want to size up. For my girlies without a stomach though, you are good. You're doing great, sweetie. You have your little string. One section right underneath, right where your apron belly is, there's a little banding for that control, and then the rest, again, similar to everything else, except this layer is a lot thicker than the belly apron part. Wait, this is supposed to fit up my stomach. How is this supposed to fit this? I'm confused. I don't know if I should be scared or if I want to cry right now. It's like a leg brace. Let's just try. Oh god. One step at a time. We're almost at that reality checkpoint. Oh my god, look at this. I feel like this looks like a cake pan. Put all this cake, girl. We're getting somewhere. Okay, this is where the magic happens. One side. Oh my god. Kim! I should be an Olympian for shapewear. Talent and skills. There is elastic for gripping, but you know what? There's nothing to grip to because I don't have enough skin in the areas that I should have. But Kim! Skims? There's no way. How? Wow. Why do I feel like I just shrunk 2 sizes? That's because I did. Where does it go? I get it's just like press, but like where does it go? It's actually forming some form of ass. It's not rolling down so far. Once you get it on, the most comfortable thing ever. You don't think you'll make it, but when you do, oh my goodness, it is rewarding. Unifying. This is sculpting to another level, let me tell you, Miss Kim. I look skinty from the side. She was not lying when she said core control, bulletproof. Come at me, stomach first. I'm almost scared of myself. The body I've been wanting. Oh my goodness. I feel like I can trust this with my whole life. I'm not going anywhere, girl. What is this sorcery? Listen, my mid-size girly, my plus-size girly, my curvy size girly, my flat-size girlies. I don't care what they say. Give the credit where it's due. This by far is the best. Once you have it on and the effect takes in control, you can still breathe. You can still move and function. You can actually do things and not even think twice that you're wearing shapewear. My body feels liberated, okay? I just feel good in this, like, It's been a while since I feel like I've been confident in my body, and having Skims on like this, I'm about to send Lisa Lee right now. How she feels skinny and she doesn't know how to behave. Is this actually my body? I just want to make sure this is still me. Wait, but you gotta see how I take it off. My stomach is just gonna plop out. Unface tuning myself right now. This is what Skims was holding in. How's that even real? I'm so confused. Bro, it's almost scary. Well, she's back. Okay, this is the next one. It's the same sculpting, strapless, seamless bralette, but I could have sworn I got one that was like mid everyday wear, and then the other one's like intense, strong, strength. I don't know the kind of crack they're putting in these little things, but they work. oh, this one actually feels a lot more flexible. One girl in, second child in. I love this brown color. It's so much cuter. Oh, this one feels a lot more comfortable. I'm assuming the one we did try on that was like killing our brain cells was the heavy string because they're both in larges. This one feels a lot less chaotic. The panty. Seamless sculpt mid-waist brief. We like the brief more. But then again, I might want to keep the thong one because it gives me a fake booty. This one is not a core control. However, look at the buttocks. There's a lining down your ass crack. And I'm assuming that's supposed to like plump up the peaches. Watch the magic happen. I'm emotional. Dude. Don't be fooled by the discoloration hunties underneath. It looks a little, you know, we're fine. We're good. This one is so freaking comfy. Oh, look at the little butt top. I mean, it doesn't plump my cheeks up as much. There's actually a lot of stretch and room down here. So I kind of like the thong more. It forces it. Do you like the comfort of the briefs more? It feels just so like home. Look at my sides. Look at the curves. How it flatters. How it sculpts out my little curves. And then it like eats up my little muffin top. It's subtle. It's calm. The stomach is flattened. I'm so impressed. Look at this little curve moment. Like, it's just been a while since I've been really impressed. And Kim, girl, you did it. You're on to something. I will say this, for all the people who's like, oh, this is a dupe from Amazon. I don't know if I believe that anymore. I used to be a strong believer in that because like dupes, hell to the yes. But then now I have this on and I'm like, dude, nothing can like outcompete Skims. Even my Amazon dupe, it's either you get the comfort and you lose the sculpting, or you get the sculpting and you lose the comfort. But this, you know, the best of both worlds. It's not that I'm always a negative Nancy or something, but I'm very realistic and I can be a little bit self-deprecating. I'm a realist. This is great. I'm honestly not trying to convince you to buy things. You know I'm the first to not fake it. I don't care to be nice to brands just to get a buck out of it. No, if I don't like it, I will say. Trust me, I burned a lot of bridges with brands. So when I'm telling you that this is so worth your money, it is so worth your money. Skims, if you're seeing this, please, please, please. Girl, this is me being shameless. Put me on your PR list. You got my vote. I just feel like I'm in my most feminine energy in this. I feel empowered. I just feel little confident, okay? Flat in the right places. Not just back here. Don't know what to do with myself. I just love it too much. Oh my god, like, you see what I mean? Like, you could jump and hop and do all sorts of things in this, and it doesn't budge. How can you not like this? You're not gonna be able to resist it. Just watch this. This is my body with Skims on, and then without Skims. That's crazy. This blows my mind. And that is it for the Skims haul. If you want to see me try on more shapewear, just let me know and I'll do just that. Once again, if you're not a part of our midsize girly community, subscribe. Okay, bye.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.